Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and as promised, in this video I'm going to be doing a full product comparison between Freedom Laser Therapy's latest laser hair restoration helmet, the iRestore Pro, and their original device, the iRestore Essential. Now if you haven't already watched my unboxing video of the iRestore Pro, check out that video in the info bubble above. I'll also include a link for my 6-episode playlist that follows my hair restoration journey using the iRestore Essential. So without further ado, let's talk about product features. Both the iRestore Pro and the iRestore Essential use low-level laser therapy, a type of medical procedure that applies low-power lasers, or LEDs, to the surface of the body. Research has shown that the application of low-power lasers to hair follicles may help stimulate and enhance cell growth. So when LLLT is applied to hair regrowth therapies, some studies have shown that as the hair follicles absorb the light over time, it can help stimulate and rejuvenate dormant hair follicles, resulting in stronger, thicker, and fuller-looking hair. While these two devices look and function similarly, there are some key differences. They both use a combination of lasers and LEDs, but while the iRestore Pro has a total of 282 medical-grade lasers and LEDs, the iRestore Essential has only 51. You'll also notice that the underside of the Pro is clear, allowing light to spread more as it leaves the laser and LED diodes. That's not to say that the iRestore Essential isn't effective, but it focuses the light mainly on the top of your scalp, while the Pro gives you full scalp with enhanced back and side coverage, for folks who are treating hair loss all over their head and not just at the crown. There are also obvious physical differences here. The iRestore Pro is a bit more streamlined and sleek looking, and it actually weighs a couple of ounces less than the iRestore Essential. The Pro has this red trim around the edge and uses only 3 foam pads built right into the helmet's rim, versus the 5 pads on the iRestore Essential, and ditches the extra support headband because it just doesn't need it. For the newer iRestore Pro, the controller is on a thinner and longer cable, and the controller itself is slimmer and more compact. However, they both use the same AC adapter, so if you're upgrading from the Essential to the Pro, the adapters are interchangeable. The other thing that's different is if you get the rechargeable battery pack for the iRestore Pro, it only works with the iRestore Pro, because it uses a magnetic charging mechanism found only in the Pro's controller. Both devices are meant to be worn for 25 minutes per session every other day for at least 6 months for you to see significant results. iRestore now gives you 12 full months to try out either of their devices with their 100% money-back guarantee that you'll see improvement to your hair within this time. If you don't, just ship it back for free for a full refund. For me, having used both devices, I prefer the fit and comfort of the iRestore Pro, just because it's a little less bulky and feels more secure on my head. For my type of hair loss, I feel like the results from these two devices were pretty similar, but that's because I don't really have thinning on the sides and back of my head, and if I continue to use the iRestore Pro, hopefully I never will. However, the iRestore Pro does have a higher price tag, with a retail price of $1,195 versus the iRestore Essential, which has a price tag of $695. For my viewers only, you can use discount code PC200 at checkout to save $200 on the iRestore Pro system right now, so you can knock that price back down to $995. It's still $1,000, but if this helps you grow your hair back, it'll be money well spent. Plus, it's way less expensive than getting a hair transplant or using creams and medicines that you have to take for the rest of your life. So that's pretty much all I have for this comparison video. I hope this helped some of you understand some of the similarities and differences between the iRestore Pro and the iRestore Essential devices. If you haven't already, check out the link for iRestore's giveaway in the description below for your chance to win an iRestore Pro completely free. If you want to learn more about the products or are thinking about purchasing them for yourself, I'll put a link for you in the description below. Make sure to use the coupon code PC200 so you can save some money. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can catch the next update in this series. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. And as always, join me next time.